sessions about GIS. Who knows what GIS is? A few people. It's Geographical Information Systems. I know that doesn't help much, but when we're thinking about GIS and GIS technology, how many of you use Google Maps to get directions? Or it's something else, Apple or something else using. That is core GIS technology. That's where they got that from. GIS came first, and then Google showed up. Okay? That routing technology is something that we can do inside of GIS, but we take it a step farther. So we're not just going to do routing. We want everything in our system, that a line, point, polygon, whatever it is, to have GIS embedded information in it. So whether it's a water line, sewer line, hydrant, meter, manhole, we don't care what it is, it has data associated with it. So that really is the power of GIS. And I don't know if any of you were here Tuesday, but did any of you go to the Field in Pinion Hills class in the building next door? George Cardenas talked a little bit about our GIS community, because we live and work not that far from each other. We're only 20 minutes away from each other. So we collaborate a lot. He asked questions, I ask questions, hey, have you done this? Do you know somebody that can do this? We talk about that all the time. So you can do this, you can get started. That's really what I'm here to tell you. It doesn't matter if you're just a water district that has, 100 miles of lines. You should be getting started in collecting data and getting data into GIS. It may not be fast. It took us a year and a half, which I thought was pretty fast because we did a lot in a year and a half. Even if it takes you 3 years to get a complete GIS system up and running, it's going to be worth it. So go back to your managers, your supervisors, and say, hey, these other cities or these other agencies are in GIS. Maybe we should start budgeting a little bit of money for GIS and start planning on how we're going to populate our data. Nobel digitized 95% of our data. We sent it to them in AutoCAD form and in PDF form, and they did the digitizing. In a year and a half, we had with Bill's help with the migration, we had a fully blown asset management system. We had a fully blown turnkey GIS in a year and a half. Okay? And that was in 2006. So what we're doing is building on that technology. So we brought on the public viewer about a year and a half ago. About the same time, we brought on Dig Alert. And you know what? The guys love it. You guys are out in the field. You're really the ones where the decisions of technology come from. I mean, you guys just have to tell your supervisor, listen, we could do this better. You know how many tickets we're doing a month? I know quite a few other agencies that are doing 1,200, 1,400, 3,000 Dig Alert tickets. The way we used to do it was it came into an email, right, at somebody's computer, and then they would spend all morning opening every computer, printing out every single ticket, trying to organize it, because I have to go to this side of town, I have to go to that side of town, and look at the emergency tickets. And then while they're out, 30 more tickets come in, right? So they go back to the DC, pick up the rest of their tickets. New tickets come directly to this box, to the iPad. So you could be out and get a brand new ticket, come across, oh, you know what? That's right around the corner. I think I can answer that. And, make my day go a little bit faster, hopefully. I'm not dragging around a set of plans, right? Before we had this, I used to get calls all the time. Hey, I'm out on Main Street. Do you know where the 12-inch line is on the south side of the street? Can you look it up? So I've got to look up plans and talk to them over the phone to try to tell them what they need to mark. Well, they have the plans right here, right? It's real simple. Now, again, I haven't showed you everything that we can show you. That's why I'm offering for you to come pick up a card. Call me. Because if I can't help you get started in GIS, I know somebody who can. George is always available at Field Opinion Hills. I know contacts at ESRI. We use their data. Nobel would be happy to talk to you about getting on with GeoViewer or GeoViewer Online. You don't have to have a team of 6 people to start running GIS. Okay? You can start out small. Nobel did a project with CSD around us. Is that 5? Okay. That they didn't have GIS personnel, so they said, fine, we'll put your data together, and we're going to put it into an iOS app, and you don't have to have personnel. We'll handle your data. We'll handle how it gets to you. Just go out and start collecting. Okay? All right, so 5 minutes. Questions?